Normala kenyam kenas diala content barwani lingua semene ke nor online TV channel. Biatin content lat ko rin biak lingua na mene. Te kon ke tungwan long te gor gwech ke te gor liang. Ko tin lat ko rodien rewich ke juba ke te bej bej. Kan kwan wari ke politician wari cha jog bien cha jo will nor community ke kan wari kan galok. So right now I'm right corner. Chỉ chiang ke la ba long che we na ko bikan wor community bikan ge gojo de nor community de ke liu ke chin war chi kan de tek na mani mi bej men bana address gwasa me ka jen lera mani bi ko right ka tin kon tilat krodien mi tuogo kan wari mi lokana doctor ying macharo ke ngum lero de na bu kon tar ban bi gwasa mani ko te ga tungwan long to goro bana ngach no kan kwan waran content to contribute ka shoit nyore ki ngum le rode machine ware chicken charo ne ka ta dan de kan woni am ka je na bana je within responded to ne bu konen inshallah de kan panken kan kwan ware ba bana je ling ki bu kon kalat ko rudi dial chicken goro te ka mu gam de to kon ware ko mi gane no go den wade go by the way telat kan ngi cikin ade lat ko nyir dana ci to kon tam ga jan kwasa me nyir ko lo ke dag ma char kan mi ci kon wi content let kan ka keten content wi kan kan wo de lat nuore gor kan o kan de ngan pain ken nuore ko cikin de lan nuore ka no kan o de nuore de kan ko go no cikin goro de kan wade kan kala de kan ke kuje mone bana madan fo bana jelin ka jan report me gor jeno brodi palping ka liang dien ko bi manan to bi ngach bitin kon lat ko bi ngach what is the reason behind kaka kan kwan wertiti mi chikana goro no de ga let kel mi chikana goro no de kan gala de ka kwan wer ko ga displaced joy kaka ka jano kan goro de kan mat de ren aleka de kan te content de no nang niam de kan galat na kan were pindien gunyekan tele letter of condemnation mi kan mangor tele dur tin kon let kan ka ka bel tin kon we ga dakar machar ka logdien ki ka nyirien ka dakar machar so na me agenda na gaine ito ngwalong bane ko bu kwan were bikan gor duob dana dong de ko rin nyir ke jakie de ko rin lo ke ja ite kan war kel mi chakan ki mun no kan ware ki no kan ideal so ko jen andana le rode shikan guje no dong malat ke anwaro dien wo da law den wadi alde ko nyam weekend je no position ken te ka karis ke te position ken dengan kariya so ban jen mi to gwal ban je linken kan kono ni am gor no bi na me bi nyo kan ko ken nyo jene dial ko biya teke man danan lero de biya kula ngach ki te report medong biyan run palpintin ka yang de kos dia de gor kan geng magwa gwaze me ke roñ mi chalat beje kwen ya ka ta dana chalat ke jam the political crisis surrounding Dr. Riek Machar continue to expose a deep division within the Nuer political elite and the wider power structure in South Sudan. Many Nuer citizens today are asking difficult questions about why some Nuer politicians living in Juba appear more focused on weakening Dr. Riek Machar than defending the interests of their own community. Names often mentioned in this discussion include Kun Poch, Lol Gatkot, Vice President Tabande Ngai, Dr. Guy Cook, and other politicians. Politician viewed by critics as closely aligned with President Salva Kiir Mayardit and the ruling system in Juba. According to critics inside the Nuer community, these politicians believe that Dr. Machar's popularity among the Nuer people prevent them from becoming influential leader themselves. They reportedly see him as the main political obstacles standing between them and greater power, recognition, and control within the Nuer political landscape. Because Dr. Machar remained widely respected by many Nuer citizens, especially in areas affected by war and displacement. Some politicians may feel they cannot rise politically unless his influence is reduced or completely removed. This belief created a dangerous kind of political competition. And instead of trying to earn the trust of the people through development, education, peace building, or community services, some Nuer leaders choose a shortcut, attacking the credibility of their rival. In this case, critics argue that rather than proving themselves through leadership and sacrifice, they focus their energy on supporting action against Dr. Machar, including his detention and political isolation. The accusation against Dr. Machar following the violence in Nasser in 2025 became another turning point after clashes involving the Nuer Army, militia, and SSPDF forces. The government under President Salva Kiir Mayardit and the Nuer politicians that are allied with Kiir accuse Dr. Machar of orchestrating the attack. However, many supporters rejected this accusation and argued that there is no direct evidence proving SPLIO coordinated with the Nuer Army. They believe Dr. Machar was blamed largely because he is the most visible Nuer opposition leader and because the area involved is politically associated with his movement. To many Nuer civilians, the situation feels familiar, seeing the civil war or seeing the civil conflict that erupted after the 2013 crisis in Juba. Countless Nuer families have experienced killing, displacement, and destruction across Upper Nile, Jonglei, Unity State. All these areas were affected by this war. The memory of the 2013 massacre remains deeply painful for many people. An accusation against a politician seen as cooperating with violent crackdown carry enormous emotional weight. The frustration among ordinary Nuer citizens comes from the perception that some leaders benefit personally from the suffering of the Nuer community. Critics argue that while civilians struggle with poverty, insecurity, displacement, and lack of opportunity, certain politicians focus mainly on protecting their position in government, building alliances for survival, and competing for influences in Juba. This creates the impression that self-interest has replaced genuine community leadership. Another important issue is the nature of politics in South Sudan itself. Political survival in Juba often depends on loyalty to powerful individuals rather than service to citizens. In such a system, politicians may believe they gain security, wealth, or influence by aligning themselves closely with the presidency, even when this damages their reputation among their own people. Over time, this can create a disconnect between leader and the community they claim to represent. At the same time, it is important to recognize that political situations in South Sudan are highly complex and emotionally charged. Different groups hold different versions of events, and accusations are often disputed. Some supporters of the government believe strong action against Dr. Machar is necessary for national security, while his supporters see the action as politically motivated attempt to silence opposition voices. The truth is often shaped by political loyalties, fear, and years of unresolved conflict. The deeper problem facing the Nuer community and South Sudan as a whole is cycle of division, revenge politics, and leadership struggles. Many citizens are tired of leaders fighting over power, while communities remain underdeveloped and traumatized by years of war. Young people increasingly want leaders who can create peace, education, job, healthcare, and unity rather than deepen political rivalries. A strong leader is not loved because a rival is jail or silence. A leader becomes respected when people see honesty, sacrifice, fairness, and commitment to the welfare of the community. Fear can force temporary obedience, but it cannot create genuine respect. Communities eventually support leaders who improved life, defend justice, and showed integrity during difficult times. Well, for the newer community to move forward, many people believe there must be less focus on destroying rival and more focus on rebuilding society, healing division, supporting displaced families, and empowering youth. Political competition should be about ideas and service, not about eliminating opponents. Without that change, the cycle of mistrust and suffering may continue for generations. Gwazame kuma kirme yadit kel kana kanwara kontin kwaya support jajojanu alakan dial take ke kamont goal. Their goal kanan wari chigalana ita munakana riyang machar. Mugu yan kan this newer politician konti ke juba, all of them michu guji right ni ken ketelat kenke. Yinken dial take ka ta danen mentingwari lat ke jan. Shet ke ruai ni telat ken wo riyang machar bari men katijen chaja buluny. Nay Ramadan bring machar bilunya balani en court kine de kon lat kan lugde mi kon gui kon roi ni ken ko chi roi ka gwam mi shwe na chi dak gai ko ne cha roi ne cha we ka kuba roi je cha lat lar jeno by nung development ba char ba kalat yala de no bu bolmel ba char ba kalat de ka pai wero within 2025 dan na mo yola no riang machar me tele bal lon kalet kaya Waring machar chwa jalat ko jan chegu jano ko cha kwanya la ko don kila tika chan ko bunwer bukana no ko wen lat ken no kan nwari gur ken riang machar no lokane diale ko ken kami kon gui content tika ka la ken karodian chicken match ko wodi ken telam lat ken ka community ko na mutem ladina ka community there George Longburn wo yen legend ka kwi community ka dun. No. Kodi mi dong sharin ka mandan ande jegane kun ajana gwane jan. Ko ne kun la yen sharga kwidien no ngum lokane ne den bi mandan lok kana bi shugwich yam shi ngaji yo ye mandian lokane mo den bro ya leka bi nyingu dial bi goro bi ka gwich ka do dan de gwich ja. Dino cha joy gwada men wonene chinwari chi gala ne itimo ko gui ken no chi riang machar chene dial ke chene dial no wonene riang machar cha no ne dial along so michikana mo ko gui ne ti jen wo ne de ti no ka riang machar the only option da na chi men ka ke wudi bi ka riang machar poinde no bukana jako they can yarki they can destroy ko de kula no community ka jen community point muguro jen wo be jenok alenne mango adana de ken no ka jen chia destroy ne ke chide nang ne ke ki chide yare ke kom je joje no kan ne tin kon let kan ke wo balaw ba community ba je destroy ika ku ko shun kan kare macha na mone che jang ka ne to go jag ne ka ku bi ke jek ko jedien no telam bi kan jek ketel mu gam be kan je ko jala leader jogo no jin men sharba ka tin dialen kontin ngon yam ci bi char ka tam ko tin ngon yam kan go ne kan longo den man daran ti tin tam tin ngon yam kan ti ko in kware jan yam ko in kware mi yero do community no lo daga ke ko ku ka reng ma char kan support ke chun ka le reng ma char ma jin yero ne ro kan char ka men tin yam just gujin me tora mo nyu din your loyalty ka kir ma yadit ka kirone tilla de kan dial we ko destroy the community do ma jilla share no what will happen next tomorrow ko run chang ran ti dial chicago en community ko yalla ne kan wale bugala ne ten kon ndong run bi yo kwanya la kwar ban mi share de ka what will happen kan yene de kon ti la kwan were so na me balla wuje ga long bula ngwene jan ta dan tin tin tama me yos ke yamane kir me yadi ka gwada bibin ko bram ran kane di ala kona yerien ga tam ke tin ko yen ga destroy run bugo te ga power ka long dien ko bikan kwar dan bu wi ko am bikan lo kwanya kan cha shia ka be kap ko bo jen kwa lar no en democracy mi benden be ne di al be ka vote so shia calculate go an nor community men no run baroda kap baroda unite ko shi kan be nywa ga yakel so re wi ke juba men tin jana mi che joje no jira mi mo mi log reng machar ba je del moy ka kom mi chi reng machar shi betray ba je del moy ka gwat mi be dor bi romten ko jandana gor ke kir la raina ti dia le kon lat ke cha ga je ko shiran she community she serve gwa chi jan jin na ga je ko shi dakra machar shi betrayed na ga je ko shi nor community she destroyed mi shi ko le yari ya ba ko le moy ka position mi di ye nyoda ne me ta medan kong shora le no ka nasir medan me cha kwanya la kur afanal la governor shangulel she nasir she destroy she fanga ke destroy she lung shuk she destroy bun ka gwade dan she godi ala ko bundara she destroy and then chwa buwuch me cha dar kai ku me cha kwanya jo no nyok kunwar tin ka ku nyok ku ra ni ka ti dar gai ku ba she na che ka le nyok mu we kan na kare ni ale jen menen yente distraction te tin tama ka kobo cha godi al cha ka da ka kula la pem ni ni chete ni no ka tete ne kan walet kamane mi kona bu kon ka panal bu kon bu jek en wuri shal melul gad ko jaram danan ku apanal ku je destroy sheik nasir bo jen ku contribute ko ba na ba ka joiten ba na ba ka nak jen ji contribute to bone kama tiang ku dier ko ba na ba ka nak no nyok yaro ya chala kun po chala ling before kan kono kun po tabande nga charwa jene ka gwate dan me chati ki kiring mo chalaro en rande je yen mari mo charbo ran mu cha yen ga jom mu cha dwer shejalat en dwer de direk mo charo lado tele keten kwa jele kuch dwer mu bidi dani mudele ni dunkir mi yadi de chana che ga ka jamona ka juba no mo kel no mo part ko lok tabande ngai lok rek machar jene cha blok rek machar mi kon bu kon ko kun poj bono no jene kan jikanyati eastern jikankelu no ka rek machar ngum no yaram mo mi sharandun lakin division lakan we are create kanity birana bento duele no yen no kan ga ko arandun pala je ram mi any influence dan ti rek machar lakan akuch jin mi temu gwam le ni ko community mi gurje no baji nok le ni bum then be community bejinok shugunja no ko reng machar ram dan no kan wena mo reng machar chede dial chek blok reng machar taram che blok ani o ba lar kun poje no reng machar cha je buluñ no ne me ajan nan to ko juban tama rewi ke juba te lat ko orienten ke de baj ko ajan jel kan pangen ngan kwar kaman jel gatin janana lat kene wo nena reng machara chalun kan dial kan nuar contact pinker mi yadi de kan reng machara chalun jen contribution ajen campaign let kan ka juba chikana parwe jen no kan den content lo reng machatit kade en o ku merka ma chikana kwich ko ku merka ma jen kulo dial kulo dial ka mon ko en South Sudan mutuna tin tama en mandana je ka kemen cham ka chebe ka ku mker mi yadi be ne kan ji merka la international community kwana shamka ka refugees million of people didn't come in church no gwan mo few people kan kula riangore wike juba ma ti dial te tet kamerkam mi ti merkam jala re ma char balun ba di luñ ka ko mi mal bete di beben ko chagu jeno ti dial ti rudien dial kane to mo diere kan ka te dan wi ka kun dan de kan chamba ti diere kan ka jenwar community dan dong ti chusha so kuje mone cha jugo no di gwejeje gwa eno yen bia dilet ko de we dundara gwa mishi alok then be kum merkam be action be jakan but the big issue jene kan kwa dialti la kwa no dialti kan kelo yal ka kir ka one thing positioned kan o charan chaje biyen so me baring ma char baje eliminate ke baje yen so ka advantage so we can along advantage kan to bunwere ka lo nok gwa da dan shi ga jen but chinwer ji bunok ka ko chiring ma char shi je removed the influence nuere cha ka nang ka kwikel ana be jo na be mo ka yo be no elo yala ti wo ka yo ka nuere cha let la jen temporary modere youth and but more be backfire nuar che goro bro lya kaje nuar che goro bro nyu kaje te mene ne bi kap ka bom ko right now ngai kona yo mi sharan mu ke yo la ti ka lwang ki ti ka bom di ko de rande je intimide de je force no ba mandana gori bala de bejala en mu gor mo de ra mo jala de gor de la ka bom ko shi mo ke yo you know kan nuar che le na mo ne me jen force mo use kana mo ba backfire kaka te ka do ba dan en chicken ngai keje no dong der to ko gui kan yo no yo can everything but you she everything kan ware you know na you nuare you ka war gana nuare jalar men ten yen ten ojin bijin la lo yal ka community do ka society do shi bijin biya lo yal kara men nak ya ko an ke ko la how many people che nak ka juba ta gwada da na kan weten ana 1000 people cha ga na ka juba ka cha ja konde mete ngode ka yen to na ka yen lo yal ka ja rieng ma char nyirun ka ja no bala ticket ya changa jino ticket ke bat che bi per long ko gwami bar so na me da la jen andanan le nywa ka yekel ban je ka report